have also become a great leveler, because it's not just you and me who get inconvenienced. It's not just you and me who get stuck in traffic jams. We face waterlogging, we possibly face leakage at times, but also our parliamentarians. Now, right now, these are two images that you have seen on your screens that we also spoke about earlier. In the last 24 hours, you have 9 people losing their lives because of different rain-related incidents in the capital. And we've seen multiple videos of waterlogged streets of the capital. We've seen long traffic snarls, people complaining that every year it's the same situation. Nothing changes. Every year they say, we go through this. Now, parliamentarians of the India bloc are right now using this particular video that you have seen on your screens, a video of water that leaks through the roof of the new parliament building to target the government. And they say, what kind of a parliament have you constructed if it's leaking in the very first rains? Now, this particular video gets tweeted by the Congress MP Manikam Tagore, later also by the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who says that water is dripping from the roof of a lobby into a bucket that is placed on the floor. That's the video we are talking about. And he says, "Kaha gaya sara pani?" Is this the Viksit Bharat that the government is speaking about? Now, Manikam Tagore has also submitted an adjournment motion notice in the Lok Sabha. Now, what he proposes is that there should be a specialized committee formed to inspect the new Sansad and every other apparatus along with it, because they insist that this is also about our safety. Now, also the Kannauj MP Akhilesh Yadav has taken to the social media. He's proposed that we must now move back to the old parliament. He says, "Dobara chalte hain purani Sansad." Now, why does he say this? Remember, time and again, you have seen the opposition that has raised concerns on the speed at which this building is constructed. They've also said that this feels very suffocative because there are no corridors, there are no good places where we can stand, talk. In fact, some MPs, if you recall, had earlier also said that air conditioning bahut acha nahi hai. They even boycotted the inauguration. Even when the Senegal was placed, there are a lot of them criticized even that gesture that came in from the Prime Minister. And Akhilesh Yadav now says, and I'm quoting him, that the public is asking whether the water leakage from every new roof that has been built under the BJP government is a part of their well thought out design. So he's making a larger narrative that it's not just the parliament that is leaking, but every infrastructure that has been made under the ruling government of the BJP, he alleges, is today leaking. And that, he says, is a statement on the kind of infrastructure we are building. First up, exactly the charge we've heard from him.
There was paper leakage yesterday, earlier. Then there was Ram Mandir leakage. Then now it is Temple of Democracy leakage. In Parliament yesterday, heavy rains was there. Therefore, in the main lobby area, this leakage happened, which is very painful for us. In a 90-year-old building, when that happened, same thing happened. There was some kind of actions. Therefore, I had moved an adjournment motion today because this is a very serious issue. Therefore, I had moved an adjournment motion. Hope the Honorable Speaker accepts it and we have a discussion, find solutions to it.
और अभी जब मैं आ रहा था तो मैंने देखा संसद लीक हो गई है। बाहर पेपर लीक होता है, अंदर संसद लीक होती है। हर जगह लीक हो रहा है। मोदी है तो मुमकिन है। हर जगह लीक, हर जगह लीकेज, हर जगह रिश्वतखोरी।
If parliament building, a new parliament building leakage and other things is there, so urban development ministry has to reply the issue. So the new parliament constructions related what was monitored by the urban development ministry. Urban development ministry is there; they have to responsible to give a reply.
कुछ लोगों का मानसिक संतुलन लीक कर गया है। अब अगर कुछ लोगों का मानसिक संतुलन लीक कर जाए तो इसका इलाज तो कोई मानसिक चिकित्सक ही कर सकता है। अब इनकी दिक्कत क्या हुई है कि पेपर लीक पे कार्रवाई हुई, उसके लिए आपके शोर मचाने से नहीं हुई, जैसे ही सरकार के संज्ञान में आया कार्रवाई की गई और जहां पर भी जिन जगहों पर भी इसके सरगना लोग हैं उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो रही है। अब आप लोगों की आदत हो गई है कि हर फेक एंड फैब्रिकेटेड किस्से कहानी गढ़ करके और जो है वो हाहाकार और हंगामा और हुड़दंग करो, तो इसे कहते हैं कि मुद्दों की कंगाली।
So Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi says, मुद्दों की कंगाली हो गई है opposition के पास. Is that really a fair charge to make? I'll look at this tweet that has come in earlier from Akhilesh Yadav. He says, इस नई संसद से अच्छी तो वो पुरानी संसद थी जहां पुराने सांसद भी आकर मिल सकते थे. क्यों न फिर से पुरानी संसद चले, कम से कम तब के लिए जब तक अरबों रुपयों से बनी संसद में पानी टपकने का कार्यक्रम चल रहा है. Look at the taunt, look at the full sarcasm that he's using to attack the government. Then he goes on to say, जनता पूछ रही है कि भाजपा सरकार में बनी हर नई छत से पानी टपकना उनकी सोच समझकर बनाई गई डिजाइन का हिस्सा होता है या फिर, and then dash dash dash. Clearly, the opposition very, very belligerent, attacking the government, not leaving any opportunity. But what has been the response so far? Remember, we asked you earlier that what has led to this. So we have a statement that has come in from the Secretariat that will tell you more about what led to this and what is it that the investigation so far has gotten. So we'll get you details of that statement. Now, before we do that, I think we've also played out the multiple times that you have seen the opposition attacking the new parliament, right from today to, rewind to what Rahul Gandhi had famously said. This is Manikam Tagore who says, must probe the cause behind the parliament water leak. Akhilesh Yadav says, let's move back to the old parliament building, to times where they've questioned whether this was a vanity project of the government. That was, remember, Jairam Ramesh. A multiple of these comments will again tell you that there is a lot of disdain that a lot of these opposition netas have for the new parliament. But is it good to mix that with the kind of politics? I also want to put out, if possible, the statement that, remember, has come in from the Secretariat on what was behind this leak and have they been able to fix this or not. And just bear with us because it's just taking a little bit time as we look at, all these images also on our screens where the India MPs say that it's time to get a probe into the entire incident. And there should be an independent committee that they say will be able to investigate this. But like I said, that there is already a response that has come in from the Secretariat that kind of says that this was a minor leak and apparently it's even gotten fixed. What they try to actually tell us is that just some portion of this dome actually is where they had used an adhesive to stick this entire glass surface, and it seems apparently that a portion of that adhesive has really come out, something that has led to this leak. But they say that this was a minor incident and now it has been fixed. But like I said, not the very first time that you're seeing so much of politics being played on this, and I'll see if we can also get in a panel of guests that continue to stay with us as we'll be looking at this entire story and different facets of this. If we'll get them up on our screens, we'll introduce them very quickly here. And we will ask questions about propriety, questions also, remember, when it comes to who's accountable as far as this entire story goes. Like I said, Rahul Gandhi not very long ago had spoken about the Prime Minister's ego being bigger than people's lives. This is what he had said long ago. Then even Jairam Ramesh had said that this was the first of the personal vanity projects of the dictator that he called the Prime Minister. So you've seen multiple times that they've attacked the Central Vista project, the new parliament, and you had 20 opposition parties boycotting the inauguration of the new Sansad again. You would recall none of them were there in attendance. And likewise, there is a tradition to how the opposition clearly has dealt with the new parliament. But this particular video also is raising concerns. And then again in 24, this was the month of June, where they said that Sengol that is placed in the parliament should be removed. Again, something that was said by a Samajwadi Party MP. But clearly, you've seen a lot of politics, a lot of backlash also on that particular comment.